So yesterday I installed the tap here in this sink, so now it's fully functional. Actually, I just turned the water off because I had a little bit of a problem. So this is done here. Install this on there. And so what happened is that yesterday morning when I woke up, I heard some dripping sound, not a good sound, and it turned out that this fitting here, it was connecting to a flex pipe. So the thread is actually stripped. So even though I tightened it when I closed it, the thread just was broken, so it just came loose, and then it was leaking. So it's not nice that it happened, but it's nice that it happened before I install the stove. Because once I put the stove in here, that'll be very difficult to get to it. So what I'll do is I cut that panel and I'll leave it so that it's easy to remove in the future in case there's other mishaps. So not nice, but it happened at the right time. So I'm gonna change it, and I got this thing here. It's a fitting, but it has a brass end, so that when I attach it to the steel pipe, it doesn't strip the thread, right? So I didn't have one when I did that part, but I should have really taken the 30 minutes to do that. And at the same time, right now it's a little bit inconvenient. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put that connection at the top if ever there's a need to change that boiler, so the new connection will be right there. So it'll be much easier to access it, because now you have to remove that panel, but once it's at the top, you don't actually have to remove the panel to take the boiler out. It's kind of a tight space, but you can do it. All right, that's all for now. It looks nice now with the counter. All right, so the bay window is pretty well finished now. We've been using it for a little bit over a month, and you can see the counter installed and everything painted. So I haven't put the front here because I haven't finished the ceiling. That'll be done in the next week. And yeah, so the window is really nice, and as opposed to the old one before, it has insulation, so there's no condensation whatsoever in there. Nice and smooth. This is it. Install the light there on the top. Alright, now I'm working on the rest of the kitchen. Just a quick video to show you what the wall looks like after I removed that old bay window. So the counter was here, stove was here, microwave hasn't changed, and so you can see I've finished the wall, and I put one coat of paint, and on the window ledge I put a molding. It's a cypress, Japanese hinoki. It has a nice pleasant smell, and a double pane window, and looks a lot better than before, and of course it's much warmer. So shortly I'll be putting another coat of paint. When I put this paint on, I couldn't get exactly the same color, so if you look here you can see the left side is the color I want, and this is the only thing I could find that was kind of matching. So it's a little bit darker, so once I put another paint, it'll be all the same color. So yeah, much better. And then under there, of course, this was where the pipes came in, and as usual there was some water going to the wall, and it was kind of a bit of a mess. So now it's nice and clean and well insulated. And as a bonus, I have to refill the oil tank, and now I can actually do it from here. Before I had to go out with the ladder and put the oil in there. Now I can just do it from here. I didn't think about that, but it's very much easier now. All right, here we go.